Welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of testing battery. I'll cover each step so you can follow along and easily perform the repair yourself. First, we need to open up the device. Use the proper tools like an open blade or card to carefully detach the screen. Take your time and be gentle, making sure not to damage any internal components beneath the screen. Now we can remove the screen. If there's strong adhesive holding the screen, don't rush. Use glue remover to detach the screen. Looks smooth and easy. Time to separate the main board. This cover is hard to open. Clamp the cover tightly with tweezers. Bingo! Now we need to disconnect the cable. It's so hard, we need to be patient, unless we might damage the cable. Main board also connect to the charging port, so don't forget to unscrew it. Remember to keep screws together so you won't mess them up. Finally, we can remove the main board. Be careful, the cables are fragile. Time to test the battery. If it can't work, just change a new one. Go check my previous video to see how to replace battery. This battery still can work, so all I need to do is assemble them back. It's good, isn't it? Battery still workable. We saved the money. If you like my video, please keep tuned on. Follow for more electronics repair skills. Leave your repair experience down in the comment. Let's build a repair community. Gonna assemble the screen. Curve tape to fit in the case. Screen check. It runs smoothly. Always remember to check screen after assemble. If you find it can't work after sealing it, it will take another 20 minutes to open it. I had glue on every corners. Bro! Thanks for watching.